Hello everyone, welcome to my video of doing this Jasmine princess makeup. Let's start with the moisturizer. Then we're gonna put primer. Yeah, this is the only area that I put it, and also here. So I use this kind of foundation. It has SPF 15. This is actually like BB cream kinda, so it's very light coverage. I like it, it's very natural. And I like to mix it with this glow booster. So I use this for my face. I do my foundation like this. I put these kind of dots everywhere. Also on the neck, of course. And then I put this glow booster here and there. For blending I use this kind of brush. This coverage is extremely light. But on top of it I put concealer and contour. I put this contour like here. To take the double chin out. Here as well. And also on the forehead. A little bit for the collarbone. Alright, and one weird thing that I like to do is I like to do my nose contour with my eyebrow. Now that I'm full of lines in my face, let's blend it. My nose contour I like to do this, so you take your hands and I just go like this. I think it gives the most natural look for the nose contour. I use this Maybelline concealer and put it here and there a little bit. And here I put this kind of line. Line in here, also here. Also, I like to put it here. Now that I look crazy, we put this one. So I like to put this from here, like this, and here. And this one has amazing coverage. And it's like €3. Now we blend it and I look crazy. This contour and concealer actually is the one that makes my face like kind of full coverage. So now the most important part in my opinion is powder. In the brush a little bit and then I just brush it. Then I put it here, here, and a tiny bit on the nose, but not too much. Now I like to add some blush also. So I usually like to use the lighter one. And I take it like this and I rub it. So we want to look like Jasmine princess, right? So let's do the eyes like hers. This brown contour to the eye. And now we can add the shimmer. Jasmine has very nice eyeliner, so let's use eyeliner. Now we can move on to the brows. She has very thick brows, so I'm gonna make thick brows for myself. So I like to start the eyebrow with adding color first, and then I will do the shape after. Conceal a little bit underneath my brows. Okay, now we can move on to the lips. So I have lip liners from Shein actually, and they're very good. So no problem. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to line my lips. And what I noticed is that she has pretty reddish lips, so let's add some lipstick. Okay, here is the lips. Now we also want to add some lashes. So for lashes I have these kind of cat eyelashes, but I like to cut them a little bit because they're a little bit too big. Here are the lashes. Okay, and one more thing that I think is missing, so I add a little bit shimmer in the inner corner. Right here. Right here. Alright, here is the makeup for Jasmine Princess. I also have eye contacts, but they are blue. But they make my eye way bigger, and she has very big eyes. Okay, now we have the contact lenses and the very Halloween vibe. Okay, so here is the final makeup. Now let's put the whole outfit on. Alright, here is the whole outfit on and the makeup, and I'm very proud of it. I think it looks super cute.